Hey, it's Dave here with Fuzzy Roads Ahead. If you follow our channel, you know that Holly, myself, and Max, we travel all over the place in our Ram 2026 Warlock, pulling our Grand Surveyor camper. Many times on our travels, Holly and I have discussed getting a dash cam. Nowadays, everybody knows how important it is to have one to cover yourself in case there was an accident. So when Mangoal reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their dash cam in my truck, I didn't hesitate in saying yes. So once this OEM style dash cam is installed, it should look like it was part of the truck out of the factory. What we are going to do in this video is we are going to open this up, see what's in the box, and install this bad boy, take a look at the app and the features on it, and give it a nice test, and I'll let you know what I think. I believe this is the GPS sensor. Got some instruction manuals, little toolkit with a SD card, and here is the dash cam. Okay, so let's get to installing this thing. By the way, if my glasses are fogging up, it's about 100% humidity out here right now. Hot and muggy day in Lawrence, Kansas. There's a dash cam, and I was just taking a look at just eyeballing it to see if it looked like it was the right fitting, and it looks exact. So I think that's going to fit on there perfectly. I also didn't mention that they do send a link of a video to watch for the install. I have watched that already, and from the video, looks super simple. Okay, covers off. Now it's time to connect the camera. Just this little connection here. This cable pops right in there. This connects to the camera housing. But before that, we're going to install or plug in the GPS cable. Here's the GPS cable. This snaps in right there. And that is all there is to it, other than just snapping this back on, making sure the cable, all the wires are tucked in there. That's on. Pretty simple. Okay, there you have it. It's on. Looks like a perfect fit. Let's test out the app. All right, guys, camera's installed. I got Max with me, and we are going to take this for a spin and, you know, kind of get some action shots from the dash cam and see what you think. The verdict so far on this camera, you saw the install of this thing was super simple. The instruction video they had was spot on. I mean, it is they show you how to pop the cap off, what to plug in, and how to put the camera back on, and it literally is about a 5-minute thing. Going through the app just a little bit like I did. The app is super simple to use. Love the GPS capability on it as well. And overall, I love this product. If you'd like to get one of these Mangoal dash cams, I have a link in the description. You can use FRA10 for a 10% discount. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you're thinking about getting one, I hope this helps. And with that, we're out.